Let's go! We just saw the biggest dump in Bitcoin's history. Yes, this is true because we have never seen more than a $10,000 daily candle before on Bitcoin. So today I am going to be talking about what's next, what I think is going to happen here, and how to actually play this moving forward, both on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano. We're talking about altcoins in general because the Bitcoin dominance took a big spike yesterday. What does this mean for altcoins? And also, what can we expect moving forward? Is there some danger in the market right now you need to pay attention to? Well, welcome back everybody. My name is Cristiano, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe right now and also activate the bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So, let's begin by talking about Bitcoin. And I want to go to the Actually, let us stay here on the one daily candles first. And yes, we had a drop on the daily candle from 43,449 all the way down to actually below $30,000. And this was more than a $10,000 drop in one single candle. This has never happened on Bitcoin before. Now, percentage-wise, it is not the biggest, but in dollar terms, it is the biggest. So, hey, at least we made a new milestone yesterday. And let's now begin and talk about what actually happened on a more granular level. Okay, so we broke down below the orange box and the red line, and we wanted this red line to hold. Did not hold, so we took a big dump, but we went right into my red line down here. So this is not a coincidence. It's not a coincidence that we got very heavily supported right here at the red line. And now we are actually from that point sitting at 34% in profit. So everyone who bought the dip yesterday here, you are now sitting at very nice profit. Now, in general, when it comes to trading, I would be cautious still if you're using leverage because you are still going to most likely have some volatility. But if you want to do leverage trading, then you do have $2,000 over on Femex down in the description and also $2,600 over on Bybit. This is for new and existing users, and this is only for new users. But for now, I think that just buying spot, if you have the funds, is the safest way to do it. So I did buy this dip here. I did buy some spot Bitcoin. And I think that this is actually, you don't usually have the opportunity to buy at a discount like this. And we are already above it. Now, if it is going to drop even lower, well, then just an even better buying opportunity. This is why you want to have some fiats on stable coins on the sidelines. But let's go to the 1 hourly candle as well and look at this. And you can see that we went down here, we went up, we tried to break above the orange box here. We did break above it, and then we got rejected by the red line. So we did not get above it. So this is a bit of a caution right now here as well. Got down, at least we got supported by the orange box here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times before going down again, finding support on the bodies of the candle here at the blue line at $36,000, going up and now being rejected by the orange box here again at $40,000 on the edge of the brown box 4 times. So things are a bit uncertain right now. If we go to the 4 hourly candles again, you can see that if we flip on the moving averages, the important moving averages, we are below all of them. So we are below all of the important moving averages. If we go to the daily, same thing here. No, actually not. We are below all of the moving averages also on the daily. But we are getting rejected also by the 200-day moving average here. So this is the first thing we need to overcome in terms of moving averages. But for now, Bitcoin is still in a bearish structure. That's not to say that we cannot recover. And of course, the most important clue to that is if we close above the 21 period moving average on the weekly time frame. So if we close above this one right here, so that would be a pretty insane wick actually. That would be a wick from $30,000 all the way up to above $47,000 basically. So this is basically one thing we need to pay attention to right now because there's 3 days left in this week. And if we close above it, that is a very good indication that yes, we did find the bottom here at this capitulation and that we are now going to reverse. But just like I said, even if we are going to continue to go a bit lower here, I just see that as an even bit better buying opportunity. But that's just me. You do you according to your own risk analysis. So let's quickly continue here. I want to show you the logarithmic growth curve here on the daily time frame, because if I flip it on right now, you can see that we got a very big capitulation candle here from the white line from $44,000 down to $35,000, finding support here but wicking below. Okay, if we go down in history, can we spot this? Can we spot this also prior to this? Well, we can, but I have to use another chart. So I'm going to use Bitfinex, and you can see that once again you have the same thing here. You have the capitulation candle right here, and then you have the middle of the logarithmic growth curve right here. Okay, so let's continue. Let's go back to 2017. So this was actually pretty interesting, because what you could see is that we got above the white line right here in 2017, and then we had a big rejection here down to the level right here, got supported, and then we went into the next parabolic phase of the bull market, right? So why did we see a dump here in 2017? Well, this is when China actually banned Bitcoin, okay? So this was one of the first time they actually banned Bitcoin, and the FUD we saw yesterday was also attributed to China banning Bitcoin. So, you know, it's just FUD. The Bitcoin and crypto using it was actually already banned in China. Businesses cannot do business with crypto. So this was old news, but they just took the same thing. It had the same effect on the price, because if we look at this in 2017, rejection from the white line down to this Fibonacci level at 3,342, and we go to today, same thing, down to the exact same level here, and actually using the same FUD as well. So yeah, they are trying to take your Bitcoin, guys, and I'm just holding. I'm not panicking by this. I think everything is going to work itself out in the end. So why would I sell Bitcoin right now? I am not going to do it, because Bitcoin to me is precious, and Bitcoin is just going to continue to go up with time. Looking at Ethereum, we had capitulation also on Ethereum. Look at this insane candle. This was almost a $1,000 candle on Ethereum, went down to the orange line right here. Now we have to try to make a push towards 3,200 here and break above the orange box. Same thing here. I mean, don't use excessive leverage. Things can still be very volatile. For Cardano, we did actually find very good support here on the orange line and the orange box here on Cardano. So that's cool. And Cardano was one of those coins which I said that the orange box here is actually going to be very, very strong also on Cardano. Supported 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and now going to the upside. Next levels of resistance, $1.83, you got $2, and then obviously $2.31. Now Bitcoin dominance actually went up yesterday, and so the name of the game, just like I've been saying always, is to accumulate Bitcoin and also maybe Ethereum. But the name of the game is to accumulate Bitcoin, because all of these cryptos which you're holding right now, many of them are not going to exist in 3 years, in 5 years, and many of them are going to go down. In fact, we know that altcoins in general go down compared to Bitcoin. So yeah, just know that. Always try to get your profits into Bitcoin. You want to get out of altcoins in general, and you want to get into Bitcoin and maybe also Ethereum. Maybe Ethereum has also proven itself as a good store of value over time, but Bitcoin has definitely already done so. So this is why, you know, we were down here at 40%, a level we hadn't really been at since 2018, which you saw that insane altcoin season. And yeah, I mean, it's not likely that we are going to drop down to like 10% or something like that. Can it happen? I mean, theoretically, of course it can happen. But I mean, taking profit at these levels, getting it into Bitcoin, obviously a very, very good idea, at least partial profit. And then you can, you know, let the rest ride. If you have those insane pumps, you're still going to make a lot of profit, even if the position size is smaller. Traditional markets are looking, I mean, a bit shaky, you know, swinging up and down here. And now we are actually going down a bit, and we are going to have to try to break this level. And this is actually resistance right here at 4,120 on the S&P 500 futures. So this is something we need to pay attention to as well. I am going to keep you updated on that. So the crypto markets in general, the biggest gainers, waves. Swissborg is actually doing very well right now. And then the biggest losers, you have Terra, and you have Bitcoin SV, and also Phantom. Over the last 7 days, you have a couple of exchange tokens here with Gate Token and OGB. So here's the thing, Guggenheim CIO Scott Minerd backflips on crypto, calling it Tulip mania. And so what he said is, crypto has proven to be Tulip mania. As prices rise, tulip bulbs and cryptocurrencies multiply until supply swamps demand at previous market clearing prices. So here's the thing, I think what he means by this, he does not mean Bitcoin, he does not mean Ethereum, he means all of these cryptos. And really, we are having massive inflation on crypto right now. I mean, you're seeing a lot of cryptos being launched, you're seeing IDOs every day, multiple IDOs every day. And you know, there's just too much right now. We need to have a bit of consolidation. That's not to say that altcoins are not going to go up. You just have to be a bit more picky with the altcoins you pick, okay? And as always, I am going to keep you updated regarding the altcoins I am invested in and just my overall opinion on the crypto markets. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one.